Hello everyone, in this video Windows 11 free app to install on your new PC 2024. So I just provide full guide. At first open your any browser. Now I'm opening my Chrome browser. Go to new tab and search set to BlueStack. Okay, and click on this link and then you get this feature. I provide this link in my description box, so check my description box. And at first you need to download. Click on to download. Okay, download complete. Need to install. Click on, press on yes. Okay, click on. And you get from install option. Click on to install, then automatically install this BlueStack. I am already installed this, so no need to install again. Go out and just open. Just open this. Then I am get this feature, and here you can easily find your apps. Go to search option, like find Free Fire. And now showing it to Free Fire. Open. And finally get installed from Google Play. Just click on, then automatically install this game or any apps. So that's it. That's how you can do it.